Good day traders, and welcome to a new YouTube video here on our channel, which is a new update for gold. And I will also cover up for you the DXY in this video, because as you all know, I'm using the DXY for my correlation, so for all my dollar pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Aussie dollar, and of course gold, because also gold is measured in dollar. And the thing is, because always when the DXY is going to the upside, then all the other pairs are going to the downside. But in this case, I see the DXY dropping, so therefore also gold, Euro USD, Aussie dollar, GBP USD, all these pairs are going to move to the upside. And this is what I want to break down in this video, and I will start with the DXY from the monthly chart. Now guys, the reason why the DXY is dropping that much is because of this monthly resistance, where we also can spot a nice monthly supply zone, guys. So therefore my first target for this nice drop, as you can see here on this last monthly candles, is this support area over here. So I'm expecting that we're going to hit this monthly support in the next couple of days, weeks, or even months. I cannot tell you how fast this movement is going to be, but the next extended TP is going to be this support over here, and both levels are pretty easy achievable due to this monthly supply zone, guys. Now, what else can we see on this monthly chart for the DXY? I can also spot a very nice structure level, which is this one over here. So we'll mark it here for you, because as you can see, this structure level was here. Support, 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 then we break through, retested it, and then it became resistance, and DXY dropped down. Then we came back above, retested structure, and went higher. And right now we are at this structure level, guys, and we may see right now some kind of retest. So that we're going to push a little bit deeper into this structure level before we're going to continue with this move to the downside in order to hit our first target over here, or our extended target that I already mentioned in this video. Okay, so just for you to have an idea what I see right now on the DXY. Now, this is actually right now not very interesting for us, because we want to see what kind of situation that we got on the weekly. And on the weekly, guys, we do not have any kind of big news or big informations for our trading decision. It is only this pin bar which may indicate us a shifting momentum, so therefore that we're going to push a little bit higher. Okay, this is a possibility, which would be this retest move that I already told you on the monthly chart. Now let's have a look on the daily. Also on the daily, what we can see, actually not the most informations, because you can see this is downtrend structure over here, and we can actually see that we're still creating lower lows and lower highs. But right now the question is, are we going to create a new high and therefore to make kind of a trend change, or are we going to drop down from this level? And this is what we got a look right now on the 4 hour. We're going to have a look on it on the 4 hour chart, because you can see this 4 hour resistance level over here. Okay, guys, and therefore DXY was not able to break this resistance. Okay, we had here this double bottom, and a lot of you maybe, or a lot of other traders may think, okay, this was the bottom, the double bottom, and we can expect DXY to go up. But price did never broke this resistance, and therefore we shoot down, creating this new lower low, which was super important for the future in DXY, because you all know I was predicting the DXY dropping, and I was talking about this drop a long time ago now, and I still have this opinion, because I still see my confirmation for shorts. Therefore I will never look to buy DXY or the other dollar pairs. So yes, of course, Euro USD, Aussie dollar, GBP USD, I'm always trying to buy and never to short it due to the weakness of the DXY. Okay, Now, what else can we see here in DXY? It is this trend channel over here, guys, which is for me simply a corrective pattern. Why? Because price is coming from the upside, as you can see, to the downside, creating this structure over here, which is simply a continuation pattern for the price to drop even lower, okay? This is simply this trend channel where the DXY is right now in. And I'm expecting that we are going to break out to the downside, and the DXY is going to continue to drop even lower. This is what I see from a 4-hour perspective. But now let's map out some interesting levels, because this is one 4-hour supply zone, which is for me very interesting, because it is a possibility that the price is going to push up higher till this area, where we are going to look and monitor price action if we're going to respect this area before we're going to see this nice drop. And this nice drop is going to be then our continuation of the downtrend on the DXY. But on the other hand, you still have the possibility that the price actually is dropping right now to the downside. Why? Because we tapped into another supply zone, which is this one over here. And maybe this supply zone has already enough power to bring the DXY to the downside. Very important would be to destroy also the structure, so to break this previous low. And if we are going to create a new lower low, then I definitely expect that the DXY is going to drop more to the downside. An additional confirmation for this drop would be also this double top formation, okay? And if this double top formation is a real double top formation and we are going to, break the lower low structure, what do you expect afterwards? You expect that price is going to drop until maybe this 4-hour demand area, where we have the chance that the DXY is going to go up higher to test this neckline structure over here before we're going to see a new huge drop to the downside. Okay, so this is what you can expect on the DXY, but simply these are the two possibilities, that we're going to drop down from this level over here, or that we're going to push one last time to the upside and then to see this nice drop. Okay, so this is the information that I got from the DXY. I see the possibility of a nice short, therefore I'm going to look for a nice long opportunity on gold. But now let's start with the monthly chart in order to see what the situation is right now over here. And the situation is the same like I told you yesterday, because gold was rallying now a lot, breaking the ultimate high in 2011. Therefore, it was not a surprise that the price is going to drop down, because a lot of hedge funds, they took profit over here, guys. Okay, they were profit taking, and if big hedge funds, big financial institutions are closing their positions, then the price starts to fall back to the downside. Okay, very simple. And this is also a perfect retest move of the structure, as you can see. So this was nothing unexpected. Okay, we all knew that gold is going to drop down a little bit for a nice pullback, and right now we had the pullback, so we can expect from a monthly chart the continuation to the upside. But let's have a look on the weekly chart before. Okay, on the weekly chart, what can we see? We can see this big bearish candle over here with a nice wick. This wick is illustrating us the power of the bull. So they told us, okay, the hedge funds, they took profit, as I already told you. Therefore, the price began to drop down. But here at these levels, again, all the hedge funds, all the financial institutions, all professional traders, and so on, they all took again long trades on gold, and they pushed the price back to the upside. Okay, and then again they closed the trades. Then again, price bounced back, and this is kind of a range trading right now on gold, which is right now the possibility that we can have. And this is what I want to show you right now on gold, on this gold chart, because this is our daily demand area, guys. Okay, this is our daily demand area. Here we got our daily support level, and we also got here our daily supply zone. Now let's switch to the 4-hour. From the 4-hour perspective, guys, we can see that we got this range over here, okay? So we can trade it from the downside to the upside, from the upside to the downside, and so on. Because I'm expecting right now that the gold price is going to get stuck a little bit into this range before we're going to see a break of this range and then the continuation to the upside. But still, the possibility is also here that we're going to continue with the move to the downside. This is a scenario which I'm not expecting, due to a lot of people are investing right now a bunch of money in the gold market. And therefore also the hedge funds are going to buy this gold price, and therefore gold is going to rise and rise and rise. Now let's have a look on the 4-hour, but first I want to show you one important structure level on the daily level, because this structure level over here is responsible for a potential short, and maybe this level will not make it easy for us to break through. Because me personally, I want to buy gold, but it is kind of difficult right now to do it because we still have this structure here. Okay, so we need first to break through the structure, retested it, and then we can aim for this nice long trade over here. And I would definitely take my profits at this resistance, and this is what kind of trading opportunity I see right now on gold. But we also got the opportunity that price is going to drop down first before we're going to see this happen, okay? So keep an eye to also watch this level over here, this daily structure block here. This is very important because this can easily bring the gold price back to the downside, okay? So maybe if the price is going to come here, okay, then it will probably bring the price back to the downside. This is a possibility that is given right now on gold, and therefore you need to simply watch price action and to wait for the confirmation before you're making any kind of trading decision. Okay, so these are actually all potential scenarios that I can see right now on gold, and for you where important is monitorize price action here, monitorize price action here, monitorize price action here. And then do your trading decision, put your stop loss, put your take profit, look for a good risk to reward, and so on. Okay guys, this is what I see right now on gold, and this is my update. And therefore, because I see the DXY dropping more to the downside, then this scenario for me looks very good. Okay, this is what I wanted to illustrate with the DXY, and this is how you should use it, okay, for your charts. Okay guys, so thanks for watching, and we will see the next time with a new update on gold, new update on other pairs. We will see what tomorrow's YouTube video is going to be. So thanks for watching guys, and we will see the next time. Bye bye.